Alright, so today I would like to show you our new water truck we just got in. We started out with a cab and chassis that we found in Nashville, Tennessee. It had 70,000 miles on it. We brought it back to Greer, cleaned it up, then sent it straight to Diversified Fabricators. So the length of the wheelbase was much longer when we got it. They actually shortened it, cut off the extra frame, and rolled the suspension forward. This is a 4,000 gallon water tank made by Diversified Fabricators. They actually built this tank for us. They put a custom epoxy coating in there, which I feel like keeps the tank cleaner, prevents you from getting that kind of rust colored water, and helps prevent rust inside the tank. We had them put a hydraulic driven water pump on this, and the benefit of that is you get full water pressure and volume at a lower RPM. So we may have full flow at 11 or 1200 RPMs versus having to rev the truck up to 2000 or more to get the flow that we need. It's got a self-fill adapter right here, so if we want to fill out of a pond or a lake, we can drop a hose in the lake and this truck will actually self-fill. We have a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter that pressurizes, so if we want to run a concrete saw, hose something off, fill something up, we have the ability to right here off of this 3/4 inch hose bib. Walking on back to the back of the truck, they did all nice LED lighting, looks really nice. It has air actuated spray heads on the front and the rear, and you can also adjust the atomization of this, so you can kind of adjust the fan spray and the size of the water particles as they spray out, which is a really neat feature. Another thing that we added, because we don't use a water truck all the time, they don't see a lot of use in the wintertime, we thought it would be good to be able to pull with this truck. So we had them put a nice 50-ton pintle. Our mechanic is running airline, so we'll be able to use this truck to be able to pull equipment with as well. And we also had them add a 50-foot 1 inch I believe it is, Hyundai hose reel. And so that way if we need to be able to get water away and hose something down, we certainly can. I'd like to take you to the front of the truck at this time and show you our front spray head. So we actually had them put street cleaning heads on the front, because we can use that for wetting down the dirt, or we can use it a lot of times for cleaning up mud from the streets or parking lots. So these duckbill spray heads, if you will, they call them street cleaning heads. They're completely adjustable. They're actually adjustable in 6 ways. They could be angled down, up, they can be angled to the side, and they can be angled up or down. So if you want to shoot water out to the side, you can. If you want to be able to spray down on the ground, you can. A really neat feature we've never had before, so super excited about that. Another neat feature that we had is this water cannon you see up here top, that yellow water cannon. It shoots, I think, 400 gallons a minute, a distance of 150 feet. You can adjust the spray, the pattern, however you want to. You've got a joystick inside the cab, and we can adjust it anywhere we want to and adjust the spray pattern. It's almost like playing a video game. So we are super excited about trying this truck out. Here in just a minute or two, we'll take it outside, and I'd like to show you it in action.
Here's the front sprayers on the water truck. Good for putting a lot of water down at one time, cleaning the road. A lot of power coming off those front heads. Do the rear sprayers. This would be great for soaking down a dusty job. Put the front sprayers out with that. You can see the cannon, very maneuverable from inside the cab. Able to pinpoint where you want to get water to. Shooting nearly 150 feet away.